What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're going to be doing a little bit of a different video than what I usually do, although I have had some different videos just from the riding here recently. As you can see, we're in my garage right this second. Now, make a long story short, we moved five, 6 months ago, something like that, and haven't had a chance to do anything with the garage, been super busy with everything else. And I want to get back into the bike builds and everything, but in order to do so, I need a clean, organized space. So I figured, what the hell, I'll bring you guys along on my garage build. You know, maybe some of you guys will like it, maybe some of you won't. So as you can see, the garage is actually already finished as far as sheetrock, insulation, and stuff like that. The paint around the edges is what I was doing late last night, just trying to get all the edge work done so I can put a fresh coat of paint in here. We're going to end up building a bench and a work setup in this area here. As you can see, I already have some adequate lighting up in the ceiling, but I'm going to put some more lighting on a bench and everything here. The bike area is going to be this side of the garage. Probably going to keep the center area for a vehicle, maybe the far side for a vehicle, not really certain yet. Put the bikes up on the wall and everything, but first things first, we got to go ahead and get all this mess right here cleaned up, organized, moved away from the walls, finished painting everything. Well, as you can see, we're getting somewhere now with it. Slow going process. I tell you what, painting is one of the worst things, at least for me. I hate to paint. But you see, we got to get all this crap up and off of here, get all these tools organized, get this wall right here done, keep moving around, and then we're going to rearrange all this stuff. Well, that's one major wall done. My original plan was to move all this stuff, all the big items outside, but unfortunately it's raining today, and I'm stuck with having to try to do it all inside the garage. So I couldn't pull the mower or anything like that out, the bike's out. It's all good though, I'm gonna make it work. Just kind of a pain in the butt because I got so much stuff just sitting everywhere that I got to go through and organize while I'm moving it around at the same time. I hate painting. One of my least favorite things.